Right, today I have a Genesis and I'm going to show you how to do a remote start on a Genesis. I'm going to show you how to do it with using the fob key. We're going to go over this and so you can start your vehicle. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I have the Genesis right here. In order to start it using the fob key, what you'll do is you'll have the fob key and you'll press down on the lock button, okay? So I'll press down on the lock button, and then this circle right here, I'll press this down and hold it for a few seconds. It's a semicircle. All right, so let's go through it. Lock, semicircle, hold it down. Look at that, it started. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you remote start your Genesis vehicle using the fob key. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.